All right, so let's review this compact hair dryer from Conair. I needed something really small, really tiny to carry on my bag in case if I need to travel, because I travel a lot. So this is lightweight and portable. I would say it's pretty light, yeah, by the box. It's pretty light. By the size, look, this is my hand. And look how big it is. It's literally just like, I guess, a little bigger than a smartphone. So packaging is a little bit chipped, ripped, but it's okay. It doesn't matter. Let me open this. It's kind of quite hard, so I'm opening it with you guys. So you guys see. It's actually pretty cheap. I think it was like $10 or $12. I'm not really sure. That was under 15. And oh, look at this. Look at this. It's tiny. It's like a cup, a tiny cup. I haven't used it yet, so I don't know, but for the sizing, for whatever that you need it for traveling and stuff, I think this is perfect. Okay, and the hand is portable. And it's really hard to make this video holding a phone in one hand and wrapping it with another. So, oops. Oh, yeah, this is how it goes. You press it, and there we go. So this is how big it is. I will test it out and I will tell you guys how it works, and I will write another review. But so far, and packaging wise, it's exactly what I was looking for. Thank you, Conair. Thank you, Amazon. It's really cool. It's tiny, and it has low, off, and high, so it only has like 2 modes, I guess, and 2 voltages for 250 and 125. Correct me if I'm wrong.